looking to add some unique elements to your stage to change things up, consider using LED panels. You can use LED panels in different configurations to create shapes and designs that add additional creative elements to your stage that you can utilize during your worship service. I'm Craig with Altitude LED Systems. I'm going to walk you through some ideas right here that you can take and utilize right away in your church, all with LED panels. So one idea on how you can use LED panels to change up the space a little bit is using lyric ribbons. Lyric ribbons are an excellent way to present your lyrics for worship or scripture during the sermon. As you can see behind me, we have this ribbon that is about 2 feet high by 8 foot wide. The text is able to be pushed to there as well as graphics, and it just creates a different presentation style for your lyrics or scriptures. Ribbons can be figured in place of side screens. You can also place them above your primary screen within the space. You can use them with motion backgrounds or just simply white text on a black background. It's nice and sharp, it's clean. It also keeps people focused on worship rather than huge side screens that's distracting or keeping the visual sight line off the stage. Something that we always want to see happen is just the central focus to the stage, so there's less distractions. The less distractions we have, the more we can focus on our worship. Another idea of how you can utilize LED panels in your worship space is to use a screen that is centered in the stage, behind the worship team, behind the pastor. That is a great location because you could put scripture text, you can keep worship lyrics right behind the worship team, and also you can use it as just a digital background. So within your church, stage designs is something you probably think of often, and LED panels allow you creative freedom to use them as digital sets or sporadically throughout the stage. So we'll show you next what that looks like on how you can use panels in creative designs, in shapes, or as a complementary element that you can tie in with your lighting. So here's some ideas on how you can use LED panels in shapes such as like a cross and flown above the screen. You can also use them in unique configurations set on the stage, either vertically or horizontally along, say, a drum kit or piano. And what you can do with these is it just creates additional visual elements on stage that you can match to your motion backgrounds, also to your lighting colors. And again, it's just something that allows you a more modern stage design element that is very clean and ties in well with the entire worship experience. So as far as the shapes go, you will be working with square panels. So anything that you can plug squares into, you can create. So these can be long rectangles, they can be just individual squares as well. Or consider the cross. You can create a cross out of square panels because that shape works well as a square unit, and you plug in just different squares together. If you're considering utilizing panels for your stage as a creative element, the Apex panel is the best model for the job. The reason for that is it's very quick to set up and take down because of the quick lock systems, as well as full exposure from the rear and the front, just allowing you a variety of ways to set up the unit. Also, it's very easy to fly as well, and you can fly them horizontally or vertically, depending on what you want to do creatively with those panels. So there you have it, a few ideas that you can take into your worship space utilizing LED panels. If you want more ideas, or if you want pricing on some panels that allow you to do some of these elements in your church, feel free to reach out to the Altitude LED team. We can provide you pricing as well as various options, pixel pitch wise, size wise, to accomplish some of the visions or ideas you may have had while watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.